It's back again with another video, and today we'll be doing another POV drive, but in the rain. We're just gonna turn traction off. We're just gonna get a little sideways. We is gonna do some little spinny wheelies. So let's start this bad bitch up. I'm gonna let her warm up, chat, and then I'm gonna get back with y'all. So chat, it's your boy Zez Blackie. Let's get this video running. Yes. When I'm gonna drop this video, maybe today. Today is Monday. Maybe today, maybe not. Depends on how I feel. You know? I'm just finna go home. It's a rainy day. I'm gonna go home and play some American Truck Simulator. Cause I'm bored. You know? Tight. Yeah, we in that track mode. We in that tracky mode. So you know it's gonna get a little crazy here, chat. It's gonna get a little crazy here. Let's get on outside of the road, chat. How y'all doing today, though? Make sure y'all guys like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? The more y'all tune in, the more I make videos. You know? That's usually how I go. I know I took a long ass break, but you know, I just had a lot of shit going on in life. So, you know, sometimes it's just good to take breaks. You know? Get yourself together, don't lose yourself, you know? But let's get Benny, chat. Let's get, it's a car coming, chat. It's a car coming. Hey, I'll drag the hell out of this video, though. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. Let's do it. That was some little shit. That was some cool shit. No cap. That was some cool shit though. But like, I'm gonna show y'all how that manual mode get. Now that was dry, and like I ain't on the floor. Cause that fucking 18 wheelers coming. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's raining. You know, you got 18 wheelers. Like, you know, I just wanna play it safe. But so y'all, I'm gonna take this left up here. Pretty much go from there, you know. Take this left right here. We're gonna keep that bad bitch in a second. Yep. Check out surroundings. Make sure nobody coming, you know what I'm saying? Make sure them boys in blue ain't coming. Let's do it. I'm gonna bend this bitch. Yeah. For some reason, gas light on. I'm not getting gas either, check. For some reason, that bitch was pegging out, like, and I wasn't even all the way on the throttle. Like, that motherfucker's pegging out. Let's try to do a third gear pull around this curve. mama jammer. It's a bad mama jammer, chat. It's a bad mama jammer. I'm telling you. I need to go home before I run out of gas. Let's see. I got 25 miles. 25 miles, chat. 25 miles. That ain't bad. That's enough to get home. Ooh, shit, it's a bus coming. I was gonna be in that bitch, but then it's a good thing. This thing. I'm leaving you tonight. Woohoo, shit. Hey, chat, I'm gonna pick y'all back up. You hear me? Type shit. Y'all just to see how the bus that left. I don't know if y'all seen this shit, but yeah. That's how you make room for drivers to get through, you hear me? Oh. Well, I'm part for the end of the video off here, guys. Make sure y'all guys like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. Comment down below for more video ideas. Your boy SS Blackies out.